Here's a great holiday appetizer, and it also makes a delicious soup for dinner.
Hey there, it's Jenna here from Sip Bite Go, and I'm back today with another version of the best zucchini soup ever. Now you know that I've had this strange zucchini soup obsession since I had it at a restaurant a few years ago. It was the middle of summer, it was hot, and it was nice, delicious, creamy zucchini soup. Well, now I make it year-round because I found that it's a really great recipe to serve at events, to make ahead, just reheat, or even serve chilled. So today I'm going to share with you a really special recipe. It's for zucchini soup that's Greek style. And I say that because it uses a few ingredients from my favorite Greek restaurant. So this is my chilled zucchini soup with dill and feta cheese. It's creamy, it has really earthy notes from that dill, and the chilled factor makes it a really refreshing, delicious zucchini soup.
If you want to eat restaurant-style food at home, make sure to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube. All right, so let's make this Greek-inspired soup. This delicious chilled zucchini soup with dill and feta cheese comes together with just a few ingredients at the beginning. So you need to have 3 medium zucchini that are diced in large chunks. Keep the skin on, it'll add beautiful flavor to the dish. And then about half of an onion diced in large chunks. And all of that will cook down in chicken broth. And in that you also need a little bit of minced garlic. So all of this goes into a big pot on the stove over a medium-high heat. And you need to bring it to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. That's a good time to prep the other ingredients that you'll need to finish this, like getting the feta cheese, red pepper, and dill, fresh chopped dill, that you're going to add to zucchini soup when it's ready and done cooking. But I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself because I have to show you how to puree zucchini for zucchini soup. So what you do is you use an immersion blender like you see here, or you use a Ninja or a Vitamix or some other blender to make zucchini soup. So you blend all of the ingredients that were boiling or simmering together in the pot together, including the liquid that's there. It's going to make a really nice consistency in the soup. So you blend that until smooth, and then it's time to add the secret creamy ingredient that totally turns this into a creamy, chilled zucchini soup. If you hadn't figured it out by now, I'm talking about adding a little bit of sour cream to zucchini soup. Now you could also add coconut milk to zucchini milk to make it a little bit lighter. You could add some low-fat sour cream, anything you'd like. But once you blend that in, it's time to pour it into a beautiful dish and get to plating it. So what goes in this is some dill topping on zucchini soup, along with some red pepper on zucchini soup, and then a final touch of adding feta cheese to zucchini soup. And so I like to add these 3 ingredients in particular and then finish with a drizzle of olive oil. And don't forget to put some nice hearty bread on the side. This is one I picked up at the local market. It is a really dense bread, which is perfect for picking up all of that creamy zucchini soup with dill and feta cheese. And so I just wanted to show you here a little bit more view of how it all went down. So I just like to get artistic with it, and for this one it's more of like let's see, Pollock, oh, that's the guy, obviously. It's kind of like a Jackson Pollock. You just throw all of the ingredients onto the soup and it looks beautiful. Don't even worry about anything spilling over or whatever, just put it with some nice bread on the side. So I have a few other recipes for zucchini soup at sipbitego.com, and don't forget to subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube so you can have more delicious restaurant style meals at home. You know I love to cook really simple things, from pizza to sous vide chicken to what else have I cooked lately? A lot of like baked pasta dishes and holiday things. This would also be a really great idea for a holiday. Here's a version with some corn in the zucchini soup and parsley. It's pretty simple but really delicious. And here's an example of zucchini soup that I made with Parmesan crusts or Parmesan croutons. You can check out the video for that. I'll leave that for you below.
Well, I hope that you're thoroughly inspired to make this zucchini soup. It's one of my favorites, and I think that once you make it the first time, you're gonna really enjoy making it for events, parties, lunches, dinners, you name it, going forward. So anyways, until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!
Here are a couple other recipes worth checking out.